Alrighty, welcome back. Today was day 6. Today is March 14th, Friday, and it was a great day. Crazy day, but it was a great day. I'm gonna make this video quick. Today, I literally only took 2 trades, which I'm so glad I did, and glad and upset at the same time. Because today was a massive rally. This is this candlestick on the daily. Let's just quickly go over it, and then we can kind of go from there, chaps. Yeah. All right. So to start the day, doing our normal strategy, we did opening range breakout from the 5-minute. So this is actually day before. Let's go ahead and back to today. Yeah, here we go. All right, so marked our 5-minute high and low, which kind of doesn't look right. Jeez. Sorry, guys. There we go. Okay, cool. So marked our 5-minute high and low, and actually marked our pre-market high and pre-market low as well. I deleted this line, but we can add it back for the video purposes here. And then we basically waited for a breakout. This one actually happened super quickly. So after our first 5 minutes here, which this should be up here, but I don't know what happened. After our first 5 minutes, you see we had an immediate test of structure. And basically it went into what I have here as my previous day high. This blue rectangle is always our previous day high, and this previous day low is how I mark them. And you can see we immediately tested that and came back and retested our opening range here. This moment here would have been the best buying point. I don't know if it lets me draw an arrow. That would be tight. Yeah, I don't think Weeble has an arrow. That would be tight though. Oh, it does. Oh, let's go. Huh? Look at that. So yeah, this area right here, that would have been our best retest, because as you see here, we had the test, we did not break below the level, and this would have been the best buy as it would have given. And actually, I have this rectangular range here as a fair value gap range all the way from, I want to say like 2 days ago. Yeah, from all the way back when I did the video on the CPI data. Now, I didn't think it would get validated just due to, we actually, if you see this wick here, it actually hit pre-market on that day. So technically we did have that fair value gap get issued there. But, wow, this thing is crazy. So knowing that does not lock in place. That's crazy. This would have been our best entry point. And from there, if we would have entered there into a long position, we would have had I personally would have, if I played it like this, I mean, it was almost pretty much an 8-1. I would have set my profits all the way there, and my stop loss actually super tight, just because we're trying to maximize profits there. But I would have set my first one here at this 558 range. Now it did test the pre-market high and then kind of bounced back here, and then you saw the gap up. But 558 is such a huge level that I kind of fully expected us to hit here. So if I had multiple contracts, I only played one call today, I would have definitely set my first TP here, and then I personally probably would have taken my second TP here at this rectangle there, and I would have called it a day. Now, if you had multiple contracts and you were able to go ahead and leave another runner back to here, that would have been literally optimal playing. But like I said, right now we're building a small account, and I think I'm just going to be proud of these moments, So the best thing is I was patient because I felt like I missed this move here. on that time frame. And I was like, wow, I don't think we're going. But that was the first breakout, and then actually did come back and retest. Unfortunately, I kind of missed this. Actually, I didn't miss this retest. I actually played it into our opening range here. Let me go ahead and delete this long position so y'all can see a little bit better. Well, now it's not gonna let me delete it. Okay, well, cool. But I actually played this retest. Oh, there we go. Here, and played it to our opening range before we got this red candle. So the P&L today for me was about, I think, about $75, which on my small account, basically I'm turning $1,000 in the future. You know, who knows? But at the end of the year, I think we can get, or at least the middle of the year, I think we can get to 25K. But yeah, so I just took my profits here at this pre-market high. Of course, it comes down to retest again. As you see, I had this small trend line kind of test in there. Basically formed that candle in the 5 minute and then absolutely ran. But, you know, we win some, we lose some. Today was a win. And I was proud that I kind of was patient and waited for that. Got the play that I needed and was able to walk away with the dub. Now, there was a lot more upside, but guys, you can't be greedy, you know. This was a major move, but we caught some of the move, you know. So, yeah, today was a good day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. My predictions, we are kind of coming into this weird range here. There seems to be some type of resistance at this level. So if we break this level, I think we could start heading towards the upside. Now, I would like to see us hit 582 range. That would be amazing. Because I do think we have a lot more downside, but who knows? Who really knows, right? So we're just going to keep staying, reactive, but have some sort of bias, predictive bias. Like I said, overall, I think we do have a lot more downside to come, but today was a simple day, guys. You know, just got in, stuck to our strategy. I started with one contract, started low. So I know for a lot of people, $75 does not seem a lot, but those will add up, and especially as we later on continue to scale, that 75. If we add two contracts, will be 150. As we add more contracts, will be 215, 225. Excuse me, I can't do math right now, but you can see each day that we do that, we're getting 1% better. So if we do this for 50 days, and I'm not sure how many trading days there are. Let's just say it was 200 days, you know. If there was 200 trading days available and we somehow got green on every single day, now that the likelihood of that happening is not very high, but if we were to get green on every single one of those days and we did 1%, that's 200% of the account, you know. And that's only doing 1%. We obviously are going to scale and do higher than that. And some days we're going to have those runners where we do see this full move catching there, but yeah, for now, just keep compounding, guys. Like, take the dub, and I was super happy with it. I was happy with the patience. I'm happy I stuck to my strategy. I was afraid to miss the move, and if I had missed the move, then I honestly would not have taken the trade. That's part of the kind of resilience and kind of becoming a mature trader. And truly, I think the key to being a profitable trader is being patient, sticking to your strategy, having great risk management. And then the biggest thing I think most of us forget is just to walk away. You know, take your gains, walk away. This is the long game, not a sprint. I think everybody wants just that get rich overnight, age of convenience kind of scheme, which that's, you know, that will never be the case. So for me, I'm just slowly building. Right now, there's a lot of buying opportunities coming available, so I'm building that account to buy these opportunities, and that is it. That's pretty much it. So that is all for today, guys. It was a good day. Let's say we're going to keep it quick. We're going to see what happens over the weekend, but for now, we're just going to enjoy the weekend. So you guys take it easy, and we'll see what happens. Peace.